Against a mirror-like background on one side, and his iconic Native American Indian head stands out in stunning relief on the other. The final issue price was to be set at $50 per proof, but during our special release, this 24-karat gold-clad masterpiece can be yours for only $9.95. With gold prices up over 300% since 2002, price can only be guaranteed for 7 days. Each new 2015 $50 Gold Buffalo Tribute Proof order comes individually numbered with a certificate of authenticity verifying that each piece is clad in 14 milligrams of 24-karat gold, is proof struck, and is based on the famous design of James Earl Frazier's Buffalo nickel. There is a strict limit of 5 proofs per collar. Distribution will take place in registration number order. Earliest reservations receive the lowest registration numbers, so you must hurry. Avoid disappointment and future regrets. Call now.
To order the 2015 $50 Gold Buffalo Tribute Proof, call 1-800-459-7090. That's 1-800-459-7090. There is a strict limit of 5 proofs per caller, so don't delay. Call 1-800-459-7090. That's 1-800-459-7090.
What's our objective?
Manuel Diaz works for the Sonora cartel.
Where is he?
Welcome to what?
Slaughter vehicle, left lane.
Nothing will happen here. If they try anything, it will be at the border. Take your weapon out.
Gun.
Sicario, rated R, October 2nd.
As the season shifts, change is on its way. And with change comes opportunity. It's up to you to seize it. This autumn, find your opportunity at Cadillac. The 2015 Cadillac SRX. Get this low mileage lease from around $339 per month, or purchase with 0% APR financing.
My family came here in the 1600s.
Trappers are modern day explorers.
Anything can happen in a split second. That'll just destroy you.
On the mud-filled road to Pekanjika.
Come on, get up there. There'll be some slippery. Holy mackerel.
Alex Zivagorski's facing a mountain of trouble.
Whoa. This is just impossible. I don't believe it.
The conditions on the hill are too much, even for a seasoned pro like Alex. If he can't conquer the incline, there's no place to turn around, and he may be forced to abandon the rig.
I'm going to put chains on.